how to create a Binance account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Binance application on your device. Here, you will see the login option. So tap on the login option you see there and you will then be led to the login interface. So if you already have an account, you can simply add in your email address and password to log yourself in. And if you don't have an account, then you can tap on the create account option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be required to enter your login details. So start by entering your email and then enter your password. You can also enter your referral ID if you have one, or else that is optional. Next, go ahead and check the terms and conditions checkbox you see there and then tap on the continue option. You will then be required to fill in the CAPTCHA shown on the screen. So go ahead and complete the CAPTCHA shown on the screen and you will then be required to enter your phone number. So enter a valid phone number and then tap on continue and you will then receive a verification code in the phone number that you entered. So enter the verification code sent to you and then tap on the verify option, and with this your account in Binance will be created. So this is how you can create a Binance account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.